You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome back, everyone. Today we're looking at some really fascinating shifts in, well, how we build and ship software. Things are moving fast.
Incredibly fast, especially with AI. It feels like things change almost daily.
Right. And it's not just about speed. It's about how that speed interacts with, keeping things secure and reliable. It's a balancing act.
Definitely.
Okay, let's unpack some of this. First up, the AI side of things. Huge news from OpenAI.
Ah, yes, the open source models.
Exactly. GPT, OS1 20B, and the 20B model.
Yeah.
They're now available on AWS Anthink, Amazon Bedrock, SageMaker Jumpstart.
And that access is key.
It really is. And get this, 128K context window, plus adjustable reasoning. That's not trivial.
No, not at all. 128K context means these things can look at enormous amounts of information at once, whole code bases, huge documents.
It changes the game for what you can automate, what you can analyze.
And what's truly transformative here, I think, is how the cloud really unlocks this. You need that massive scale, that computational power for generative AI to really deliver business value.
Good point. It's the infrastructure making it possible.
Right. We're moving beyond just like simple code suggestions. We're talking AI that can grasp and maybe even refactor pretty large systems. Text generation, coding help, even scientific analysis.
Which brings up an interesting distinction I've been hearing about this idea of disposable code versus durable code.
Yeah. That's becoming more relevant.
Disposal being like quick scripts, one-off tasks.
Exactly. Fast, maybe short-lived, useful, but not the core system. Durable code, that's your long-term high-stakes stuff. The bedrock.
And AI can speed up both codes.
Oh, absolutely. But durable code, that's going to stay a specialized profession. It has to. You need that careful testing, observability, progressive rollouts.
Because the consequences of failure are just too high.
Precisely. Think financial systems, utilities.
Yeah.
You can't just wing it.
Okay, so where does AI actually help in practice? I saw something about Gemini Code Assist in GitHub.
Yeah, that's a great example. Imagine getting almost instant summaries for pull requests. And it flags potential bugs, suggests improvements. It's like having a super smart assistant for code reviews.
That could seriously streamline things for developers. Less friction.
Definitely. And look at Meta's Diff Risk Score, the DRS. They're using a fine-tuned Llama model to predict if a code change might cause problems in production.
Okay, predicting production incidents. That sounds powerful.
It is. They basically got rid of major code freezes because of it. They pushed over 10,000 changes during a big event that would normally have been frozen.
With minimal impact.
With minimal impact. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
not just faster coding, it's building more stable systems while moving faster.
That's the goal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Speed and stability. So with all this AI acceleration, security and reliability become even more critical.
They absolutely do. You can't outrun bad security practices.
So let's shift gears. How are we fortifying the pipeline? Docker's doing something interesting with hardened images, DHI.
Right. Docker hardened images. This is aimed squarely at compliance, specifically FedRAMP.
FedRAMP. Okay, that's the U.S. federal standard. So these images are, what, pre-hardened?
Exactly. They're FIPS 140 compliant for crypto standards and STIG hardened following strict security configuration guides.
So they've done a lot of the legwork for you.
Pretty much. Pre-configured software scanned with OpenSCAP to verify compliance. The idea is to cut down the time and cost of meeting these really complex requirements.
Which must be a huge help for companies trying to meet controls like NIST 853.
It's a big deal. It helps you ship software more confidently, knowing the foundation is solid and, compliant right out of the box.
Makes sense. And what about testing resilience, like really testing it?
Chaos engineering. AWS Fault Injection Service has a new trick.
Oh, yeah.
Network-level chaos experiments for ECS Fargate now. So you can simulate latency, packet loss, even network black holes.
So you're basically stress testing your app in a controlled way before it hits real problems.
That's the idea, like testing a bridge before traffic flows. You find the weaknesses before they find you. Essential for robust systems.
Okay, so pulling this all together, what's the big picture for you, the technologist listening?
Well, we're seeing AI just fundamentally change how we write code, how we review it, how we validate it. It's making things faster, smarter.
But at the same time, there's this non-negotiable focus on security, on resilience, baking it in from the start.
Exactly. These tools, these advancements, they empower you. You can build and ship faster than ever, but also with more confidence.
Confidence that your systems are both dynamic and dependable.
That's the sweet spot. Leveraging these tools to innovate but responsibly.
It really is an exciting time. Thanks for joining us today as we explored all this here on The Vocal Technologist. Keep building smart, keep building secure.
And keep learning. See you next time.
Spoken Tech for your ears.